Hey, what's up? This is RC Thing 23 again. And I'm going to bring you today my homemade boat trailer. Made it last night, got bored. What I used was, I got some foam, don't scratch up my boat. And I got some pencils and I got some hot glue. Went after it. First of all, what I did was I put foam on the thing so when it goes, it doesn't scrape up. Now I put foam here so it doesn't scrape up. And I just added every detail that maybe a simple boat would have. I took the wheel off my plane, put it on here because I never saw that thing. If you saw my last video, the video on the PX16, and that's the one I never fly. So I just cut up some pencils. This was exactly, this black part here was 7 inches. My boat is 18. So I took 2 pencils together and I was like, hey, that's like 1.5 feet. So I had to cut up some pencils and I made it exactly 11 inches. 11 plus 7, 18. So I put these two together. That was the trickiest part, but putting them in here was the easiest. But having these was, yeah. So there, you can see this looks like crap, so uneven. But I don't know. Just kind of got to it. Did the best I could. I'm going to paint it black in my next video, and I'll have my boat on it. So, yeah. Ask me questions if you like it. I think it's pretty cool. I built it in like an hour, but I don't know. I think I'm going to throw a mini mono on there. Alright. I'm going to paint the pencils black, make it look nice. Alright. See you all in the next video. Later. See? Alright. Bye.